Martin Luther King Day is always the third Monday in January. So for a fun exercise, let's use what we've learned about date functions and it turns out matched index to figure out, given a year, what is the date of Martin Luther King Day? Okay, so how can we approach this problem? Well, what I would do is enter the year somewhere. So let's say 2016. And then I would try and find for each of the first 7 days of the year, January 1st to January 7th, what day of the week they were. And if I can find out which of those days was Monday, like it might be January 4th, then I would just add 14 days and I've had Martin Luther King Day. So we can use a lot of what we learned about date functions and match and index. Okay, so we could have the month, which we know is January for each of these 7 days. We can build up the date using the date function. So there's 7 Januaries, and then we have the day of the month. I'm just entering it here. Oops, I've got 6, I guess. Got to go one more. And then we could have the date for each of those first 7 days of the year, because I can use date function. The year would be here. I got a $sign that with F4. And then I've got the month, and I've got the day of the month. So I've got January 1 through January 7th. Now, what's the day of the week? There's a weekday function we talked about. So I could do weekday. And there's the date. Now here, I'm going to use Monday being 1 because that's really what I'm searching for. So it looks like January 4th will be Monday. Okay, so I can find the date of the first Monday in January and just add 14 days. So the date of the first Monday, I can use match and index from our first module. So I would do an index. I'm going to find the date in this column. How far down do I go? Well, I want to match a 1 in this column. So that's going to be 4. Don't forget the comma 0. And it's 1 column, so I put that there. So that should say January 4th. Now it's got that format I don't like. So I can just go date. So January 4th, 2016 is the date of the first Monday, and MLK King Day. Just add 14 days. Now if I would change the year to 2018, we'd get a different date for MLK Day because New Year's Day happened to be the first Monday. If I go 2020, I would get January 20th would be MLK Day. And that's really a very simple solution to finding out what day of the year is Martin Luther King Day. You can do the same thing to find out what day is Thanksgiving, what day is Labor Day, what day is President's Day, what day is Veterans Day, Columbus Day, etc. And those are all interesting exercises for you to cement your understanding of Excel.
Okay, so thanks for watching, and there's a free course, a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, and all of these videos are coming from one of 3 books. So first, this one, which you can see here at the top of the screen, Microsoft's book, which has 355 reviews, and then it's, let's see, 4.6 stars. It's coming from this book as well, his Marketing Analytics book, which is down here, and you can sort of see 4.5, or his newest book, his Analytics Stories book, which is here. And with that one, you can see it's 4 point something, or maybe even 5. I don't think it's 5. Yeah, 4.8. And so yeah, anyways, in the description, there's a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, or you can go to excelwithwayne.com/free, and it'll be there. But again, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just please let us know. Thanks.